Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to migrate your WordPress site from localhost to a hostinger. Now before we do that, I have to notify you that WordPress features require a premium subscription that costs $40. Now I didn't pay for this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow my instructions, you're gonna be able to do this task in no time. Now let's follow these few steps together. The first step is to log into your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and entering your account credentials and logging in. Once you log in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Now, use a duplicator to create an archive for websites and download both the installer and archive files. Let's search for duplicator. WordPress. Or we can search it in the plugin section right here. You go to the sidebar and click on plugins and search for duplicator. Now, like I said before, you can choose any duplicator you want. In order to install a plugin, you're required to pay for a subscription that I said previously. Now the second step is to upload files to Hostinger. And to do that, log into Hostinger and go to the file manager and upload the file to the public HTML folder. As for the third step, go to the database and go to MySQL database and create new database user and password. And for the fourth and final step, run the installer script. And to do that, you have to open your browser and go to your domain.com/installer.php and enter the database credentials and follow the prompts to complete migration. Now for additional tips, update your permalinks by going to settings and then go to permalinks. See permalinks and then go to click save and test the site thoroughly to ensure it functions as expected. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.